Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 88, question number 1. Who is considered to be father of the nation of Singapore? That is Lee Kuan Yew. Who is considered the father of nation of Singapore? That is Lee Kuan Yew. Ahmad Sukarno remained the president of Indonesia from 1949 to 1968. Ahmad Sukarno remained the president of Indonesia from 1949 to 1968. What is the capital of Australia? That is Canberra. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Next one. One of the bloodiest battle of First World War was fought at Lapers, where a large number of soldiers from South Asia also died. In which country is this battlefield located? That is in Belgium. And Belgium is also called as the battlefield of Europe. Okay. President Robert Gabriel Mugabe is a president of Zimbabwe. दोबारा सुनने, President Robert Gabriel Mugabe is the president of Zimbabwe. Next one. Dag Hammarskjöld remained the Secretary General of United Nations from 1953 to 1961. When he died in a plane crash, which country did he belong? He belonged to Sweden. दोबारा सुने. Dag Hammarskjöld remained the Secretary General of UN from 1953 to 1961 and died in a plane crash. He belonged to country of Sweden. After the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, who became the Prime Minister of India, that is Rajiv Gandhi. He is also assassinated. Okay, Indira Gandhi ke baad Rajiv Gandhi. Next one. Ernesto Che Guevara was a famous revolutionary guerrilla fighter. To which country did he belong? He belonged to Argentina. Okay, he belonged to Argentina. Nelson Mandela received the Nobel Prize in 1993 together with another South African leader. What was his name? His name is Frederick de Klerk. दोबारा सुने. 1993 में नेल्सन मंडेला को नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया और उनके साथ एक और भी साउथ अफ्रीकन लीडर को नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया जिसके साथ उन्होंने शेयर किया. वो उनका नाम था फ्रेडरिक डी क्लर्क. नेक्स्ट वन. व्हेन डिड पाकिस्तान लीव द कॉमनवेल्थ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम बिफोर रीजॉइनिंग इट इन 1989? दैट वाज 1972. दोबारा सुने. व्हेन डिड पाकिस्तान लीव द कॉमनवेल्थ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम बिफोर रीजॉइनिंग इट 1989? इन 1972. हमने पहले 1972 में कॉमनवेल्थ को छोड़ा और फिर 1989 में रीजॉइनिंग की. ठीक है. विच इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट इन अवर सोलर सिस्टम? दैट इज द सैचरन. दोबारा सुने. सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में सैचरन है और फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट इन अवर सोलर सिस्टम इज जुपिटर. नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन डिड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कॉन्फ्रेंस चेंज इट्स नेम टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कोऑपरेशन? इन 28 जून 2011. 28 जून 2011 में इसका नाम OIC रख दिया गया. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन. ग्रामीण बैंक, a pioneer in the field of microfinance, was the brainchild of Professor Muhammad Yunus. दोबारा सुने. ग्रामीण बैंक, a pioneer in the field of microfinance, was the brainchild of Professor Muhammad Yunus. BRICS, BRICS. BRICS is the acronym for the assassination of 5 major emerging economies. The grouping comprises of B से Brazil, R से Russia, I से India, C से China और S से South Africa. Okay. Next one आएगा. The permanent secretariat of ASEAN is located in Jakarta. इंडोनेशिया के अंदर है. The permanent secretariat of ASEAN is located in Jakarta, that is in Indonesia. Who was the first man to set foot on the moon? That is Neil Armstrong in 1969. The Battle of Waterloo saw the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte. In which country is this battlefield located? That is in Belgium. Okay, the Battle of Waterloo saw the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte. In which country is this battlefield? That is in Belgium. Next one. Which famous actor played the role of Dr. Zhivago in the movie by the name of Omar Sharif? Which famous actor played the role of Dr. Zhivago in the movie name Omar Sharif? The famous book Gulliver's Travel was written by Jonathan Swift. The famous book Gulliver's Travel was written by Jonathan Swift. Former Foreign Minister of Pakistan Sahibzada Yaqub Khan, who died recently, had also served as the social representative of UN Secretary General for Western Sahara. Pablo Picasso is a Spanish painter. Constantinople is the old name of Istanbul. Golden Temple is a holy place for Sikhism. Which president of USA was involved in Watergate scandal? That is Richard Nixon, and he gave resign from his post in 1963. Which animal lays egg? That is a platypus. विच एनिमल लेज एग अमंग वेल्स, पेंगुइन और कैविस, ये है प्लेटिपस। ठीक है, सिर्फ एक ही मैमल है जो अंडे देता है, वो है प्लेटिपस। बिफोर द रीयूनिफिकेशन ऑफ जर्मनी व्हाट वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ वेस्ट जर्मनी, दैट इज बॉन, BONN। दोबारा सुने, बिफोर द रीयूनिफिकेशन ऑफ जर्मनी व्हाट वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ वेस्ट जर्मनी, दैट इज बॉन। कॉप ऑफ गुड होप, Cape of Good Hope is located in which country, that is in South Africa. Cape of Good Hope is located in South Africa. To which island was Napoleon exiled to in 1815 where he eventually died, that is Saint Helena। दोबारा सुने, to which island was Napoleon exiled to in 1815 where he eventually died, that is a Saint Helena। In which country the largest waterfall, that is Angel Fall, it's in Venezuela। Next one, how many countries so far are member of the European Union, that are 28। The South Africa cricket team is also known by the name Proteas। What exactly is Proteas? Proteas, the national flower of South Africa। Proteas, the national flower of South Africa। Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupt absolutely। These words are associated with which personality, that is Lord Acton। दोबारा सुने, लॉर्ड एक्टन ने क्या कहा? Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupt absolutely। These words are associated with Lord Acton। The Statue of Liberty is located in New York, USA। It was gifted to USA by France on their independence 4 July 1776। Who said, from each according to his abilities to each according to his needs, that is Karl Marx। Karl Marx ने क्या कहा था? From each according to his abilities to each according to his needs, that is by Karl Marx। Ornithology is the study of birds। Ornithology is the study of birds. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency, that is goiter? Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency, that is goiter? Dialysis is used for treatment of kidney failure। Dialysis is used for the treatment of kidney failure। DNA stand for deoxyribonucleic acid। Banaspati ghee, commonly used in Pakistan, is produced by hydrogenation of palm oil। Banaspati ghee, commonly used in Pakistan, that is produced by hydrogenation of palm oil। MRI is commonly used diagnostical tool in hospitals। What does MRI stand for? MRI mean magnetic resonance imaging। MRI is commonly used diagnostic tool in hospital, that is for magnetic resonance imaging। Polio is caused by virus। Sun is a star। Sun is not a planet, that is a star। Which one of the following is not a mammal, that is shark is not a mammal among whale, dolphin and seal? Whale, dolphin and seal are thrice are mammal, while shark is not a mammal। Longest bone in the human body is femur। Longest bone in the human body is femur bone। Which one of the following is the purest form of gold, that is 24 carats? 24 carats is the purest form of gold। Which one of the following is the largest organ in a human body, that is the skin? Which one of the following disease is caused by drinking of contaminated water, that is cholera? Cholera is caused due to drinking of contaminated water। Son of Mughal Emperor Zahiruddin Babur, Emperor Humayun lost his throne to Sher Shah Suri। Zahiruddin Babur जो कि पहले मुगल एम्पियर थे, उनके बेटे हुमायूं ने अपना तख्ता खो दिया था किसके आगे? शेर शाह सूरी के आगे। ठीक है। विच इस्लामिक स्कॉलर प्रैक्टिकली अपोज्ड अकबर्स सो कॉल्ड दीन इलाही, वो थे हजरत शेख अहमद सिरहिंदी। किन इस्लामिक स्कॉलर ने मुखालफत की थी अकबर के दीन जो कि उसने नया ईजाद किया था, दीन इलाही, उसकी वो उनका नाम था हजरत शेख अहमद सिरहिंदी। ठीक है। आफ्टर द 1857 वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस द मुगल किंग ऑफ दिल्ली बहादुर शाह जफर वाज डिपोर्टेड बाय द ब्रिटिश टू रंगून, और उनका आखिरी मज़ार भी रंगून में ही है। विच ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर शूट एंड किल्ड 3 ऑफ बहादुर शाह जफर सन ड्यूरिंग 1857 वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस? उसका नाम था विलियम हडसन। विलियम हडसन ने बहादुर शाह जफर जो कि आखिरी मुगल एम्पियर थे, उनके तीनों बेटों को उनके सामने गोली मार दी। इन विच ईयर डिड द उर्दू हिंदी कंट्रोवर्सी स्टार्टेड, दैट इज 1867 आफ्टर सर सैयद अहमद खान हु बिकेम द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ माओ कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट, दैट इज नवाब विकारुल मलिक। आफ्टर सर सैयद अहमद खान, सर सैयद अहमद खान के बाद कौन बना सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ MAO कॉलेज? नवाब विकारुल मलिक। हु फाउंडेड द आर्या समाज इन इंडिया, दैट इज दयांडा सरवसी। हु फाउंडेड द आर्या समाज इन इंडिया, दैट इज दयांडा सरस्वती। इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज फाउंडेड ऑन 1885 by A.O. Hume, who was the first president of Indian Muslim League, Sir Aga Khan. Sayyid Ahmad Shahid along with Shah Ismail were murdered in the battle with the Sikhs at Balakot। ठीक है, बालाकोट में ये दोनों शहीद हुए। Who made the official announcement of the annual of the partition of Bengal in 1911, that is King George V, who made the official announcement of the annulment of partition of Bengal in 1911, that is King George V. In which pact did the leader of Congress and the Muslim League agree on constitutional reforms in India, including separate electorate for Muslim, that is Lucknow Pact? दोबारा सुने, in which pact did the leaders of Congress and the Muslim League agree on constitutional reforms in India, including separate electorate for Muslim, that is Lucknow Pact? In 1927, the British Parliament appointed a commission to report on working of diarchy in Indian provinces. Who was the head of this commission? That is Sir John Simon. दोबारा सुने, 1927 में the British Parliament appointed a commission to report on the working of diarchy in Indian provinces. Who was the head of this commission? That is Sir John Simon. Okay. Next one, in August 1932, which British Prime Minister announced the famous communal award granting separate electorate to depressed classes in India? That is Ramsay MacDonald. अगस्त 1932 में which British Prime Minister announced the famous communal award granting separate electorate to depressed classes in India? That is Sir Ramsay MacDonald. Who was the Prime Minister of Great Britannia when Pakistan and India gained independence? That is Clement Attlee. Who was the first Prime Minister of Britannia when Pakistan and India gained independence? That is Attlee, Clement Attlee. Who wrote the national anthem of India? That is Rabindranath Tagore, the first person to receive Nobel Prize in 1913. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah started its legal practice in Bombay. Okay, Qaid-e-Azam daughter Dina decided to marry Naveel Wadia against her father. What is the religion of Naveel Wadia? That is Parsi. What was the title of Allama Muhammad Iqbal PhD thesis? His title is The Development of Metaphysics in Persia. The Development of Metaphysics in Persia is the title of Allama Iqbal's thesis. Who played the vital role in the founding of APWA? APWA means All Pakistan Women Association, that is Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. दोबारा सुने, who played the vital role in the founding APWA, APWA, All Pakistan Women's Association, that is Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. The Indian Independence Act 1947 was mainly based on the recommendation made by the Mountbatten Plan. दोबारा सुने, the India Independence Act 1947 was mainly based on the recommendation made by the Mountbatten Plan, the last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten. Okay, after the assassination of Liaquat Ali Khan, then Governor General of Pakistan took over as the Prime Minister. Who was appointed as the Governor General? That is Ghulam Muhammad. ठीक है, गुलाम मोहम्मद ने बाद में प्राइम मिनिस्टर का ओहदा भी संभाल लिया था. Name the incident that took place in January 1971, which provided an excuse to India to ban all Pakistani flight over Indian territory, that is hijacking of Indian aircraft to Pakistan. 1971 में, जनवरी 1971 में एक इंसिडेंट पेश आया जिसने ये प्रोवाइड किया एन एक्सक्यूज टू इंडिया to ban all Pakistani flights over Indian territory, that is hijacking of Indian aircraft to Pakistan. Next one, after removal of Nawaz Sharif government in 1999, Pervez Musharraf took office to Chief Executive. 1999 में नवाज शरीफ की गवर्नमेंट को रिमूव करने के बाद परवेज मुशर्रफ ने चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव का ओहदा संभाला. इन द बैटल ऑफ ओहद, हिंदा mutilated the body of Hazrat Hamza raziyallahu ta'ala anhu and chewed his liver. Hinda was the wife of Abu Sufyan. ठीक है, during the battle of Uhud, most of the archers appointed by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left their designated place, who took advantage and attacked the Muslim and turned the furniture. That is Khalid bin Walid ने, हज़रत खालिद बिन वलीद रज़ी अल्लाह तआला जब वो मुसलमान नहीं होते, उन्होंने जंग उहद में मुसलमानों को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाया. नेम ऑफ द यंगेस्ट डॉटर ऑफ होली प्रॉफेट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, उनका नाम था हज़रत फातिमा रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हा. द यंगेस्ट डॉटर ऑफ होली प्रॉफेट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, हज़रत फातिमा रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बकरा? बकरा का मतलब क्या होता है? कौ, गाय. What was the name of the camel on which of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was riding while migrating to Medina? उसका नाम था कसवा. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ऊँटनी का नाम कसवा. At which place did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam became the Imam of all the Prophet during मिराज? वो था मस्जिद अक्सा में. ठीक है, मस्जिद अक्सा में हजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम तमाम अंबिया की इमामत करवाई. ठीक है, मस्जिद अक्सा में जब आप मिराज पर जाने लगे 27 रजब को, तो आपने मस्जिद अक्सा में इमामत करवाई. उमरा कैन बी परफॉर्म्ड एट एनी टाइम थ्रू आउट द ईयर एक्सेप्ट 9 to 11 जिलहज. 9 से 11 जिलहज के दरमियान उमरा नहीं परफॉर्म होता, बाकी साल के सारे दिनों में परफॉर्म हो जाता है. इन विच सूरा ऑफ द होली कुरान इसेंशियल ऑफ वुजू गिवन? दैट इज सूरह माइदा. सूरह माइदा के अंदर अल्लाह ताला ने कुरान पाक में वुजू को लाजमी फरमा दिया नमाज के लिए. ठीक है, हु साइंड द टेरिटरी ऑफ हुदैबिया ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कुरैश? तो वो थे सुहेल बिन आमर. हु साइंड द टेरिटरी ऑफ हुदैबिया ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कुरैश की तरफ से ट्रीटी ऑफ हुदैबिया सुलह हुदैबिया के ऊपर किसने साइन किए? सुहेल बिन आमिर ने, जबकि हमारी तरफ से हजरत अली रजी अल्लाह तआला ने। Who was the first among the Muslims to conquer Northern Africa? He also established the city Kairouan, ट्यूनिशिया। वो थे उबका बिन नाफे। इसके अलावा उबका बिन नाफे को द अलेक्जेंडर ऑफ इस्लामिक वर्ल्ड का भी एजाज़ हासिल है।